The content shown in this video should be considered for entertainment purposes only. The actions and information that follow are fictional and/or reenactments. Do not try this at home.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Swipe Game Red. I'm back at it with another video. And this video right here is going to be a Navy Federal video. I'm going to show you how to get a stack of cash from Navy Federal. Now, when you're doing Navy Federal, it's kind of tricky because, for one, it ain't open for everybody. So if you ain't in Navy Federal, you ain't going to be able to really do the play. And if you don't know how to get in Navy Federal, then you sure won't be able to do the play. But it's a good thing in this video, I'm going to show you like a couple of ways to get in Navy Federal. And I'm going to show you ways you can holler at us to get in Navy Federal. First, what you need to do, man, like, subscribe, share the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Then go over and subscribe to the Swipe Game channel. So, just check it out. I'm going to give you 3 little ways to get in Navy Federal. If you're in the military, then you're in the game from jump. All you got to do is just go up there, open an account. Now, if you ain't in the military, ways to get in there is, if you stay with somebody who got a Navy Federal account, you can go up there with him or her and be like, hey, put me on the account. You know what I'm saying? They can put you in, sponsor you, get your account. But the easy way to get in when somebody sponsors you with less questions is you and that person who already got the account open up in a joint account together. So a lot of people don't tell you this, they ain't gonna ask too many questions. So if I got an account, what I would do is, I would take that person up there, open them a joint account with me, then open their own personal account by themselves. Therefore, they can go on and do what they gotta do and run the play. That's one way of doing it, that's an easy way to get in. The third way, if you got like a family member, like a great-great-grandfather or grandfather who's in the military, you can get in with them. You can say, hey, my father's in the military. You can go to, if you know their name, you can go to, what is it? I think it's military.gov. Just Google discharge papers for the person you know. Like, say if it's like your grandfather, you know his name. You type in, go to the Army, type for paperwork, and you look for his DD 214 papers. And if you can get a copy of that, you can say, hey, this is my grandfather, here's DD 214s, and then you can get in as a member, like saying your grandfather was in the military, so person in your immediate family was in the military, and then that's the way you get in. Now, we done that way a couple of times, but I wouldn't advise you to do it with a CPN. I know some people who did it with a CPN and got in, you know what I'm saying, but their credit profile was super thick. Their CPN was in public records good, everything was strong on it, so everything they had went through. So I wouldn't advise a CPN, you know what I'm saying? You do what you do on your own risk. Remember, this for entertainment purposes only, in education, so whatever you want to do with this information, you do with it. But what I'm trying to tell you is how to get a stack of cash for Navy Federal. So once you do your steps to get in, and if you can't get in, holler us on the telly. We got some ways to get you in. We know a couple of people who got access codes who will put you on, put you in the Navy Fed for a little bit of change. So just holler us, we can get it done. But once you get in, it's so many products Navy Fed has to get the money. You know what I'm saying? But you can't be in a rush for Navy Fed, because if you play the long game with Navy Fed, you're gonna walk out with bags of cash. You know what I'm saying? Because Navy Fed, they give money away. But if you want to know how to get all the money from Navy Fed, make sure you go over to the Swipe Game channel. I'm gonna give you more detail on how to run the play with Navy Fed. Y'all know what it is. Subscribe to the channel. Swipe Game 00. The Swipe Game. Hey, hit us on the telly. Hey, and y'all know what to do. Mess with us to get a bag, man. We out.
I'm so stoked when I step up in it. Damn food collection clothes smelling just like spinach. I guess like Popeye, about to get strong now. Trick, I'm about to wreck the whole